Okay, here it is. It started it here at the 14th layer, maybe the 13th. And you'll note, like, the liquid's not moving. It's not moving. And it's still trying. See, now it thinks it's on the 17th. I don't want to do this too much more, but